Be actually having a demonstration today of what are the wonderful things the mind can do, which is beyond our scope at this point of time, but I'm sure we are all going to come up with some kind of ways and means to achieve that. So now the fair needs some more volunteers. It's going to be a very, very interactive session because you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the hardware of your brain and get out everything which is inside. You know, we often say that it's very difficult to read a lady's mind. What would you like to think about? Let's give her a choice. What would you like to think about?
A song?
A song. Okay. Anything else?
Something I specialize in IT field.
Okay. Anything else?
And something in spirituality.
Any more topics? Would
No.
you like? Okay. So you want to think about three topics. Okay. And why don't you face the audience? Let them all see your lovely face and smile. Yeah. Great. And do not look behind no matter what happens. Okay. Now you will only be looking straight ahead. Okay. I'm going to attempt, I don't know, but whatever comes from her mind to my mind, I'm going to try and receive it. Okay. We all know communication, how it works. Can you please tell everybody? Let's start with. Can you start with spirituality? So, what did you think about what quality of spirituality really appeals to you?
Inner stability.
Okay. Wow. They just love me so much. So they're just clapping for me. Don't worry. Yes, I know. They just love me so much. Don't worry. It's about spreading love, happiness, peace here, right? Okay. Second thing.
Second about which topic?
What do you like to say?
Song.
Okay, song. Okay, I may get the whole song, I may get one word, I may get two words. See, because song has a long lyric.
It's a song or a prayer or something like that.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So can you say that name? What is it?
है प्रार्थना गुरुदेव से.
Wow, give it a big round of applause. But this is for thinking of that kind of a song. You know, instead of thinking about something which is very common or, you know, a Bollywood number, it's very nice of her. One big round of applause once again for her. Right? Wonderful. And could you tell me the third fact, which is the language?
Programming.
That's your last love?
VB.net.
So we have that written on the board.
Wow.
We have VB.net. We have Prathna. That's what I could get.
है प्रार्थना गुरुदेव.
Yeah,
से.
so I was not getting the whole thing, but what I got was Prathna, the word Prathna, which I could capture. Sorry for that. And the third one which I got was inner stability.
Amazing.
Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you. Please have a seat. So the modulation has to happen from both sides, and therefore we are able to achieve whatever we want to know. Okay, I'm going to explain that in my sessions a little later. Another thing, let me explain to you what are the different phenomena of the mind. For that, another thing is okay, before I begin that, I need about 7 or 8 people to come up on stage, please, with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please come. Okay, all random people, yeah, please come up on stage. Wow. So now we're going to get to know everything, all the gossips of all these companies. Basically names of IT and IT related companies. Okay? Which have randomly been distributed to these people. Now when you talk about any kind of sync, you know, a major reason that I'm doing this session here today is that you'll have started off with the conference, but what's very, very important as we understand is synchronization. The sync is very important. So if the sync is not there, this app of spirituality, this app of knowing yourself, this app of mind is never going to come into your brains. Because the download needs the sync to happen. So that's what we are going to try and create here. So we have all these people, okay? Now what I want you to do is, I want you to point out to any one person that you like. Why him? Anything? Just? You are known to each other. So, okay. Him, right? Do you want to change your mind? There is no way I would know what is there inside here. What do you think about it in your mind? Think about the company's name in your mind. Yes, the company name which is written inside, just think about it in your mind. Okay. Accenture is what you're thinking of. Yeah. You can open it and show it to everybody. Wonderful. Great, 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 great. Pick up somebody else. Okay? In your focus. Infosys. Infosys is what you think of. Open it and show it to everybody, please. Yeah, this will just show you that all of them don't have Infosys or Accenture on them.
The note number is JEK1775333.
Can you please turn it? Can you read it again, please, sir?
JEK1775333. Wow.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure.